Hey everybody, so we got another unboxing to do. Well, it's an item from Amazon and it's an unbagging, we'll say. But please stick around, check out the video, see what we got in the mail, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright, so we're gonna unbag this real quick. Unbox. Pretty sure it's an Astro Pneumatic tool. Looks like it. Yep. So this is a 10-piece 3/8 drive Nano impact socket set in pocket. It is part number 78310. It is an SAE set. I really like how they do their packaging. Very simple, you know, not complicated. It does give you information on the side. At 0.88 inch, 22.5 millimeter long, sockets are 35% shorter than shallow impact sockets and 15% shorter than other stubby impact sockets. All sockets feature in this set a 17 millimeter outside hex for increased access when using a wrench. Forged chrome moly with superior material thickness between socket body and drive compared to other sets. This set has what it includes: one aluminum socket holder, and impact sockets in the following sizes: 1/4 inch, 9/32, 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, 1/2 inch, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, and 3/4. Also comes with a little paper, model information, what set it is, intended use of the tool, parts. It also gives the part numbers of each socket and everything if you need to replace them. These are what the sockets look like, and I really do like all of these Nano sockets. This is a 3/8 set. Here's the 3/4. I did get a 3/4 on a few. Another set as well. I think that was a 1/2 inch set though. Yeah, this is a 1/2 inch set. So this is the other set right here. Here's a 3/4. Here's the 3/4 on the 3/8. 7831010 is the 3/8 model 3/4. 7821107 is the 1/2 inch model. But you can see definitely a size difference. The 1/2 inch is definitely thicker. It's a little deeper on the 1/2 inch, and this is a 7/8 wrench, call it, or a wrench nut side, and this is what it stated was 17 millimeter right here. So put that back on there, move that out the way, and let's check that real quick. 17 millimeter. Alright, so here's the Astro Pneumatic pinless swivel sockets. This is a 17 millimeter. Let's check the fitment. Yep. 17 millimeter. The purpose of this collar is actually more for if you're using a wrench. Say you can't get an impact on it, or something, you can still use these with a wrench. Fits a 17mm very snugly. This is a gear wrench. Even if you need to do it this way. Just to remove. I really like all of these Nano sockets that Astro made. Too bad they didn't make these. I kind of wish they would have made these sets in like a master set where you got just all of them for one price. But all of these socket sets are, between $20 and $30, like $8. They're not really that much. What's expensive is the actual, these guys right here. These guys are a little more. These are range from 40 to 70 bucks, depending on the size. But when you can go to Home Depot and you look at the Husky set that's like this, that has skips in it, and it's 59 bucks for that set, and this one was $64. I mean, you might as well spend the extra money not to get any skips, and you get all the sockets that they provide in that set, in my opinion. And Astro Pneumatics provides a lot of pneumatic tools. I like these sockets. We'll definitely be doing a lot more videos on all of these sockets coming in the future. I appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. Give you guys a close-up. We're gonna move the camera, move the tripod. So these are the sockets that we got in from this package today. Again, it is part number 78310. It is a 10-piece 3/8 inch drive nano impact socket set. SAE. Why I can't impact. I just can't talk today for whatever reason. I appreciate you hanging out with me today. Appreciate you checking out the tools with me. If there's anything you want to see me use these impact sockets on in particular, let me know. I will definitely try to do a video on that if that's something you guys want to see them on, something specific. I am not going to, I will not be using these on an impact driver to see how far an impact driver can put lags through some wood. That's not my channel. I more or less do mechanic stuff. If I happen to use these and I'm building something, sure, I just don't waste wood. I'm not a person that absolutely cares about everything about the environment, but I don't think we should be wasting wood on little tiny experiments. That's just me. If I'm building something, yeah, I'm going to use what tools I need to build what I'm building. But I'm not a demolitions channel. I'm not going to try every spade bit and every hole saw brand and put them up head to head in 4 different tools, impact drivers or drills or hammer drills, and just destroy wood after wood after wood. That's not my channel. It's not what I do. All the tools that I show on this channel I use in their intended purposes, and or sometimes you have no choice and you have to, you take a wrench and you use it as a hammer because you got no choice, but hopefully that helps maybe clarify what kind of channel I am. You'll probably see these a lot more on automotive, being used in removing stuck fasteners, stuff like that, normal mechanical use or mechanics use. Appreciate you guys' time. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronics affiliate links. And if you guys like Milwaukee tools, please shoot on over to the live event on episode 1 that I did for the Milwaukee NPS 2020, also known as Pipeline. Go check out that live stream I did of the live event. You know, if you find tools that are interesting, I put just in the description below. Down there, I put links to Ohio Power Tools as well as Acme Tools. I put the main links that will show all of the Pipeline tools that are released for that episode. If you find anything you want and you pre-order it, I appreciate it. Helps me out. Doesn't cost you anything extra, and helps me out with buying tools for the channel, as well as buying tools that I need and get used. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully this was entertaining. Appreciate you guys' time, and hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!